In this exercise, we will learn the count tool. The count tool is basically used to count the number of subjects in an image. Let's see how this tool will work. If we right-click on the eyedropper tool, we can find the count tool here. Or we can press Shift and I to select this tool. Okay, now I have selected this tool, and I have an image of different colored balls, just for demonstration purposes to show you how this tool will work. Okay, if I click on this ball, and on this ball, and this ball, you can see that the tool is creating numbers, and you can count these balls by using this tool very easily. Okay, now we have some control options above. You can see here it is showing us total numbers that we can count. Next, we have a count group. We can create the group as many as we like by clicking on this icon. For example, if I want to count the amount of pink balls we have in this image, we can create a group for these pink balls. For example, let's clear it and click on all the pink balls, something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, something like that. And we can rename it by clicking on this button. We can type pink. Let's say we want to create the next group for a different color. Then we can just click on this icon and we can create and change its name. We can create as many groups as we want. Okay, next we can hide and show numbers by clicking on this eye icon. And we can change the color here. And we can change the marker size from here. We can see a little dot is now big. And we can change the number font size on label size by putting any number. And we can see the numbers are in a big size also. And here we can clear all the numbers. That's all. This is the best tool to count subjects. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the spot healing brush tool.